There are only three ways you can make money: online or offline. It doesn't matter. And I think number 2 and 3 are going to apply for most of us, whereas number 1 doesn't apply for, you know, probably doesn't apply for the majority. But I'm going to present you with all of them because I think it's important to know this as part of your financial education. But before that, let me tell you that it is really important to understand that even though you use the term make money to make money, you cannot actually make money because you're not the government. The government is making money. The government is printing money, but you cannot make money. So the only thing you're left with is to take money. And you usually take money in exchange when you offer something in exchange, right? So you take money in exchange for something that you offer. And I'm not talking about illegal things here, like stealing money or whatever. That's why I'm saying usually. You can take money from someone else, but you need to offer something in exchange. And that something needs to be more valuable than the money you're taking for it. Or at least it needs to have a higher perceived value for the transaction to happen. Okay? So, number 1 way to make money is through entertainment. And just as I said in the beginning of this video, this can happen offline or online. Doesn't really matter. For example, Lionel Messi is an entertainer and primarily is making money entertaining other people. Like any other athlete, professional athlete, right? Or like an actor, a musician, or artist in general, right? Those are people who make money from entertainment or primarily from entertainment. And even people, and I had to say it, but people who do OnlyFans, they make money from entertainment. Or some people on TikTok, same thing. Okay? This is number 1. Number 2, sell a service. You're making money selling a service. And it here you can be either an entrepreneur or freelancer, or you can be employed. You can have a job from 9 to 5. You're still selling a service. You're selling your time. Yes, that's true. But if you think about it, you are not paid for your time. You are paid for your service. You are paid for what you do. No one, or almost no one, probably there are some cases, but almost no one will pay you just to sit and do nothing. You have to do something. Okay? So you're getting paid for your service. And if you're an entrepreneur or you're a freelancer or whatever you are, for example, a mechanic, you're doing a service, you get money. You're a marketer, you're offering a service, you get money. You're a dentist, a lawyer, accountant, whatever it is. You're providing a service and you get money for it. Number 3, and last one, is to sell a product. You can sell shoes, cars, houses, desks, electronics, whatever it is. And again, you can sell it. You can have a physical store or you can have an online store. But these are the only 3 ways to make money. And again, I'm saying in general. There might be some exceptions to this, but in general, for maybe 95% of us, these are the only 3 ways we can make money. Okay? And I just want to add something. because I forgot to add this. But number two, when you sell a service, investments go in here as well. And why? Because, for example, you invest in a company, right? You invest $10,000 in a company. Well, you're providing the service of getting them capital, right? And you will be rewarded for this in dividends, for example, right? The same goes with real estate. Let's say you have a house and you rent it out. Well, you're providing the service of accommodation for someone in need of it, and you will get paid, you will get rewarded. But this is it. Those are the three main ways to make money. Number one, entertainment. Number two, sell a service. Number three, sell a product. And I need you to also understand that these three can go together as well. And I was talking about Lionel Messi in the beginning of this video. Lionel Messi is making money entertaining other people with his skills of football, soccer, right? People pay to see him. But at the same time, he probably sells the service of making a post on his Instagram and promoting someone else's service or someone else's product. Okay? So he's able at least to make money this way as well. Maybe he has a website and he sells merch. Maybe he sells t-shirts, hats. So the point is, he can sell a service, he can sell a product as well and make money this way as well. Just be aware of that. But that's it. This video was short and sweet. It was not scripted at all. I hope you found it valuable, and if you did, please like the video and consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.